this is Grace from Gemini. I'm a sales representative of coffee machine manufacturer. And this video, I mainly want to prove I'm a real person. Actually, when I send some email or development email to customers, and they will worry about I'm a trader or I'm a scammer. Anyway, actually, I'm a real person, and we are a coffee machine manufacturer. And if you have any question about coffee machine, you can leave me a message, and I can show you our factory. And by the way, happy Thanksgiving. Bye.